Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a classic green bean casserole, but first I have a couple other things I want to show you, so stick around. So today is Boxing Day and we haven't seen our kids for Christmas yet, so tomorrow we'll do our family Christmas. So I have to bring an appetizer, so I made some sweet and sour meatballs with grape jelly, Heinz chili sauce, like a ketchup but with more spice, pineapple tidbits, and some frozen Italian style meatballs. Now I just put everything in this pot and I will just simmer it for a while just to make sure everything gets cooked through and the meatballs like thawed and cooked through. And it's delicious. I've made it many times and it's just easy and I can just take it to the kids' house. Now because I was busy doing other stuff today, cooking and shopping and everything, for dinner I've decided just to stick a round roast in the crock pot. So I put it in for 1 hour on high. And now I'm just cooking on low for the whole day, like 5 or 6 hours. And I just added 1 package of Lipton onion soup mix and I filled the package with water and just dumped it in. So that'll be ready to go when we are ready for dinner. I will be serving some roasted potatoes with that and that'll be it. Now let's get to our green bean casserole. Now I was asked to bring a veggie as well. I'm also bringing a bag of Caesar salad because in case the kids don't like this for any reason, and there's 4 of my grandkids that really don't like anything. So I'm bringing this as well as a salad on the side. So I'm gonna add, I've already sprayed my pan. I'm doing a throwaway pan so I don't have to worry about dishes. So I'm adding a can of cream of mushroom soup. And this is just your classic green bean casserole. I'm adding a half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. This is optional, but I'm adding it. Some black pepper. And I'll just use my whisk and give it a good stir. Oops. Most people use a different bowl to stir everything together. I'm like, why? Because that's more dishes. So I'll just put everything in my pan and stir it all together. All right, what's there? Now I'm going to add 2 cans of my green beans. They're cut green beans and they are both drained. Add about a cup of the crispy fried onions. They're just onions that are fried in like a batter. I put about half that bag in. Now we'll give that a mix. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Oh my God. Let me know if you've had this before. I have had it before and it's delicious, but I've never made it myself. So, I know it's good though. Sounds like my oven is up to temperature. Now I'm just going to stick this in the oven. I'm not going to cover it at a 350 oven for about 25 minutes. So we'll be back. Here it is, guys. Now because I'm making this for tomorrow's meal, I'm not going to finish it. Tomorrow, when we're just about to eat, I'm going to add the rest of these onions on top. I'm going to bake it for about 15 more minutes and then I will serve it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you tomorrow.